Hey guys, and welcome to another Your Tech Report video. Today, we're going to unbox and we're going to go hands-on with a very cool set of ND filters and filters in general for the Osmo Pocket made by Polar Pro. Hey guys, if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, and if you smash that notification bell, you'll get notified instantly when we've got a new video like this to share with you. So right before the holidays, Mitchell did that hands-on unboxing of the Osmo Pocket, which was the latest in handheld gimbal stabilization from our friends over at DJI. Why do I call them our friends? Because we pretty much buy everything they make. Now, what's great about this gimbal and this product in general is the fact that you want to take it everywhere. You want to bring this on every road trip. You want to bring this anywhere you go in case you have some cool video you want to capture, because this really makes capturing video really quite fun. But in certain environments, you need to be able to handle them with efficiency so that you get great footage. And you don't want to compromise that footage. That's where Polar Pro comes in. Polar Pro reached out to me and said, hey Mark, we want to do a collaboration. We've got some really cool products. We saw you did a video of the Osmo Pocket. We've got this 6-pack, and they've got other options as well. 6-pack of filters for the Osmo Pocket. Now this 6-pack in particular sells for $79.99 if you go to polarprofilters.com, and you can see what's included. You've got this really cool carrying case. We've got a PL filter, which is a polarizing filter. We've got ND4, which is designed for sunrise, sunset photos. An ND8 filter, which is for photographing, things in partly cloudy weather. ND16 for midday and mild sun. ND32 for really bright sun. And ND64 for extreme sun. These are different stop values, which basically what they do is they add a level of filtration to the lens so that your camera and the electronics and everything that's built in doesn't have to work harder to compensate. So for example, if you go out on a really sunny day, you get really bright photos. So what you'll do is you'll try to adjust your exposure, try to adjust your shutter speed, try to adjust your ISO to compensate to get a great image. It really is designed to compensate for the elements that are out there so that you get a great picture at the end of the day, and so that your device that you're working with, in this particular case, the Osmo Pocket, or obviously the Mavic Pro, depending on what filter set you get, doesn't have to work as hard to get the image that you want to get at the end of the day, which is obviously a perfect image. The actual definition of an ND filter, it's a filter that reduces or modifies the intensity of all wavelengths or colors of light, giving no changes in hue or color rendition. So here's a perfect example. Here's an ND filter in my hand. If I was shooting outside in a really, really bright environment, you can see right here the difference that it makes in the actual shot. So you see how it tones everything down? This will allow you to take great photos outside with all those bright lights in your way without having to worry about adjusting things on the camera itself. So this 6-pack, as I said, which we're going to open right now from Polar Pro, was sent to us to test out for the Osmo Pocket. The Osmo Pocket obviously has a specific size camera, so you're going to have specific filters. And these are one of those things that you're going to want to keep in your kit everywhere you go, because filters are a great thing to have, and when you want to get that perfect shot, sometimes you only have one chance of that perfect shot. So inside the actual set itself, you've got the filters in the case. So you've got a nice plastic molded case. Crack that open, and you've got the filters all set inside over here. You've got a nice cloth as well in there, a nice little microfiber cloth for cleaning them and keeping things nice and good. Polar Pro stickers, look at that. So let's take a closer look at the actual filters themselves. Obviously, you got the cool carrying case. We've got the polarizing filter in the bottom over there, and we've got the different levels of ND filters over here. So let's pop one out over here. They're kind of like a rubberized grip over here, so we gotta kind of twist them out and pull. Don't be afraid, they're not gonna break. So let's take a closer look at the filter over here. So that's the filter itself, if you can focus in on that. On one side, we have the Polar Pro logo on that side. On the other side, it shows the ND stop level. So this is the ND64 filter over here. In terms of how it actually connects to the actual Osmo Pocket camera, so here you go. We've got the Osmo Pocket over here, and there's the camera on the Osmo Pocket. If you take a look over there, unique shape, which is why you need specific filters for this camera itself. So let's take the Osmo Pocket over here. Let's try to get that into focus over there. That's the Osmo Pocket camera. And let's get the ND filter over here. Magnetic, look at that. So the little magnet keeps it connected to the Osmo Pocket over there, and it's designed to be a little bit bigger than the sensor itself so that you actually get full coverage over there. So let's turn on the Osmo Pocket over here. So now we've got the ND filter on and ready to go on the actual Osmo Pocket itself. And I think, you know what, I think the best way to test this out is to actually go outside, because right now we're filtering a pretty high level. This is meant for bright sun. So let's take a look outside here at the office, because lots of snow. So you know what, let's start filming ourselves over here, and let's maybe flip that around. Let's switch to the Osmo Pocket. Let's take a walk outside, shall we? There we go. Okay, so we're on the Osmo Pocket right now, and we're going to take this ND filter here, and we're going to walk outside, and we're going to see what a difference it makes. So come with me, guys, will you? So let's go outside here, get the door open. Oh, it's a nice snowy, bright day. So you can see how bright it is here. It's snowing outside. Let's pop the ND filter on here and see what a difference it makes. There we go. So this is with the ND64 filter on. You can see how it dulls the brightness but still gives us a nice crisp image. So this is with it, and we're going to take our fingers close to the lens. We're going to take it without now. So let's take that filter off right there. So you see the camera doesn't have to adjust too much by itself because the ND filter is doing it. Right now it's adjusting it by itself. And now with the ND filter on there, it has to work less hard. And we still got a great image. And let's flip that around. There you go. So that's the Polar Pro ND64 filter. ND filter set $79.99. If you head polarprofilters.com, you can pick up this set. They make filters for other great devices too, like the Mavic 2, the Mavic Pro, Mavic Air. Very, very cool stuff. We're going to hopefully work with these guys for a very long time because I really like their products. Love the packaging, love the presentation, and of course love the quality it does to our images, in our videos and photos and everything. So check out polarprofilters.com. Check out this set of ND filters, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we've got way more from these guys and way more videos for you guys coming up in the near future. Have a good one.